Welcome to Buddhi Boom. In this video, we are going to understand the basic concept of coordination compounds and try to answer the following questions. What are double salts? What are coordination complexes? How are these formed? What is the basic difference between double salts and coordination compounds? Since we are covering a very basic concept, this video is going to be beneficial for all the students preparing for JEE, NEET, CBSE, state boards, and other competitive exams. So, let's start simple. Do you know how does salt formation takes place? When an acid and a base interact with each other, they neutralize to form simple salts, along with heat released. Let us assume an acid 1 reacting with base 1 to form salt 1. And another acid 2 reacting with base 2 to form salt 2. The salts produced in the above reactions are called simple stable salts. Now, when these simple salts are allowed to combine, they give a new class of compounds, known as molecular or addition compounds. Let us make addition compounds more clear. Here's a comprehensive definition for addition compounds. You might need it for CBSE and other state board exams. When a solution made by mixing two or more simple stable compounds in simple molecular proportions is allowed to evaporate, crystals of new substances may separate out. These substances are termed as molecular or addition compounds. Do not learn the whole definition. Instead, try to remember the key points. Here are some examples. You will notice that some of these addition compounds are written differently with some square brackets. Here comes the need to classify these addition compounds in two types, namely double salts and coordination complexes. Instead of discussing the two types separately, let us directly differentiate them for better and faster understanding. Here's the first difference. Double salts are stable only in solid state and lose their identity when dissolved or made in solution form. Whereas, coordination complexes are stable in both solid as well as dissolved state. Second, double salts dissociate completely to give all the ions as are given by the compounds from which these are formed. Whereas, coordination complexes do not furnish all the ions as are given by the constituent compounds. For example, potash alum, a double salt dissociates as follows. On the other hand, a coordination complex dissociates as follows. You can notice clearly that the way of dissociation in each of the types of addition compounds is different. Third, the molar conductivity of double salts corresponds to all the ions as given by the constituent compounds. Whereas, in coordination complexes, molar conductivity corresponds to fewer ions as given by the constituent compounds. Fourth, the metal ions of double salts show normal valencies. Whereas, in coordination complexes, the valency of metal may vary. Here's a short summary. Two simple stable salts combine stoichiometrically to give addition compounds. They are further divided in two types, double salts and coordination complexes. Double salts and coordination complexes differ in various physical and chemical aspects. Here we come to the end of our first concept video on coordination compounds. Download my self-made notes for this concept from the description box. Comment down for a video of any other specific topic. Also suggest any changes you need to improve the content. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Stay healthy.